The importance of crack repair and how to market it. In this video, we're going to be speaking to you about the importance of crack repair, and at the end of this video, you'll be learning about 3 things that you can do to market crack repair services for your customers. You see, crack repair is an important part of asphalt maintenance. Why? Because when cracks open up on the asphalt, water gets into the crack, erodes the foundation, and causes potholes and depressions. That gets very expensive and also is a safety hazard. Now let's talk about 3 different things that you can do to market to your customers on why crack repair should be done on any pavement asset. First and foremost, you want to make sure to save your customers money. As cracks start to erode in that foundation, those potholes and depressions get up to about $9, $10 a square foot to repair. Well, if you can save your customers money by doing crack repair at $1 a linear foot, you're saving them money right out of the gate. Second is safety. You don't want to have any of your customers' perhaps trip in a pothole and fall down and then have any kind of insurance claims or any kind of legal suits, right? So safety is very important. You don't want anybody getting hurt on any of those pavement assets that you're about to maintain. The third is aesthetic. You want to make sure that your clients' parking lots look fantastic. It's the face of their business after all, right? So if their customers are coming onto their parking lots that are nice, smooth, black, clean, and you have the cracks that are sealed and it shows that they're caring for their business, it means you've done your job. Make sure to click that link down below. We have a free marketing package that you can download. You have access to template flyers, brochures, before and after photos, and so much more. Click through and check out everything we have there. It's absolutely free. And remember, click subscribe right below and click the ringy bell, the notification, so that you get notified every single time we push out awesome content. Thanks.